Hey, this is Sujata Mukherjee, and today I thought of taking the opportunity to wish you all a happy Kali Pujo, Deepavali, Diwali. Yes, it is time to celebrate the Festival of Lights, supposedly one of the most beautiful festivals of the world. But what actually happens? The concept of the Festival of Lights take a backseat, and the fireworks gain importance, gain priority. We celebrate with lots of firecrackers, bottle rockets, fire flowers, thus creating a spectacle of colors and sparks. No doubt, a momentary feast for the eyes. But what next? We end up polluting the air with a thick smoke which chokes the environment along with terrible noise pollution. My behest, my plea, my appeal is to our children. Hey, little ones, please take the responsibility of interchanging the positions of Festival of Lights and the Fiesta of Fireworks and get rid of the pollution as fast as possible. You are our young warriors today, and you will be the leaders of tomorrow. All of you possess an immense power inside to go out and change the world. Before that, you need to work on yourself because you are important and everything starts with you. Yes, you. Your personal growth and self-awareness play a critical role in shaping the world at large and your little worlds too. This cannot be achieved in a day. Dear children, start taking responsibility now because we all know power is in the present moment. This Diwali, let us discover the sparks of light within and nurture it with productivity, positivity, and a strong purpose. Have fun, spread love, respect, kindness, multiply the preciousness of Diwali. Have a safe and happy Diwali. After today's sensational victory of India, let me wish you all a happier Diwali.